Welcome to Mary Pheabe Sun, your go-to channel for the psychology of success for women. I'm Mary Pheabe Sun, and I'm here to help you unlock wealth, peace of mind, and personal power. Today, we're diving into a topic that's all about creating space, both physically and mentally. It's called Transform Your Space. 10 decluttering tips you need. Whether you're feeling overwhelmed by clutter or just want to create a more peaceful, productive environment, this video is for you. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's get started. Number 1. Start with a vision. Before you start decluttering, it is important to have a clear vision of what you want your space to look and feel like. Ask yourself, how do I want to feel in this space? Do I want it to feel calm, organized, and inspiring? Or maybe you want it to be more functional and efficient for work or creativity. Take a moment to visualize your ideal space. Close your eyes and imagine walking into a room that's clean, clutter-free, and filled with only the things that bring you joy or serve a purpose. This vision will guide you as you declutter and make decisions about what to keep and what to let go of. A great book to inspire your vision is The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up by Marie Kondo. She talks about the importance of surrounding yourself with items that spark joy. So, as you declutter, ask yourself, does this item spark joy? If not, it might be time to say goodbye. Number 2. Take it one room at a time. Decluttering can feel overwhelming if you try to tackle your entire home at once. That's why it's important to take it one room at a time. Start with the room that bothers you the most, or the one you spend the most time in. For many people, that's the bedroom, living room, or home office. Break the room down into smaller sections. For example, if you're decluttering your bedroom, start with your closet, then move to your dresser, and finally tackle under the bed. By focusing on one area at a time, you'll avoid feeling overwhelmed and make steady progress. A great show to watch for inspiration is Tidying Up with Marie Kondo on Netflix. It's full of practical tips and heartwarming stories about how decluttering can transform lives. Number 3. Use the 4-box method. Here, as a practical tip to make decluttering easier, use the 4-box method. Get 4 boxes or bins and label them. Keep, donate, trash, and relocate. As you go through your items, decide which box they belong in. Keep. Items you use regularly or that spark joy. Donate. Items in good condition that you no longer need but could benefit someone else. Trash. Items that are broken, expired, or no longer usable. Relocate. Items that belong in another room or space. This method helps you make quick decisions and keeps the decluttering process organized. Plus, it feels amazing to see those donate and trash boxes fill up. Number 4. Let go of sentimental clutter. One of the hardest parts of decluttering is letting go of sentimental items. Whether it's old photos, gifts, or keepsakes, these items can carry a lot of emotional weight. But here is the thing. Holding on to too many sentimental items can weigh you down and prevent you from fully enjoying your space. When dealing with sentimental clutter, ask yourself, does this item truly bring me joy or serve a purpose? If not, consider taking a photo of it to preserve the memory, then let it go. A great movie that touches on this is The Minimalists, Less is Now on Netflix. It is a powerful reminder that letting go of physical clutter can create space for what truly matters in life. Number 5. Create a system for paper clutter. Paper clutter is one of the most common sources of disorganization. From mail to receipts to old documents, it can quickly pile up and take over your space. To tackle paper clutter, create a simple filing system. Start by sorting your papers into categories: to do, to file, and to shred. Then, set up a filing system for important documents like bills, tax records, and personal paperwork. For items you no longer need, shred them or recycle them responsibly. A great tool to help with paper clutter is a scanner app like CamScanner. You can digitize important documents and store them on your computer or in the cloud, reducing the need for physical storage. Number 6. Declutter your digital space. Decluttering isn't just about physical items, it is also about your digital space. From overflowing email inboxes to cluttered desktops, digital clutter can be just as overwhelming as physical clutter. Start by organizing your files into folders and deleting anything you no longer need. Unsubscribe from email newsletters you don't read, and clear out old photos and apps on your phone. A clean digital space can help you feel more focused and productive. A great book on this topic is Digital Minimalism by Cal Newport. It's all about using technology intentionally and creating a healthier relationship with your devices. Number 7. Set up a donation station. Once you've decluttered, you'll likely have a pile of items to donate. To make the process easier, set up a donation station in your home. This could be a box or bag in your closet or garage where you can place items as you declutter. When the box is full, take it to your local donation center or schedule a pickup. Knowing that your unwanted items are going to a good home can make letting go feel even more rewarding. A great organization to donate to is Goodwill or the Salvation Army. They accept a wide range of items and use the proceeds to support their community programs. Number 8. Create daily decluttering habits. Decluttering isn't a one-time event, it is an ongoing process. To keep your space clutter-free, create daily decluttering habits. For example, spend 5 to 10 minutes each day tidying up your living room or clearing off your kitchen counters. Another great habit is the one in, one out rule. For every new item you bring into your home, let go of an old one. This helps prevent clutter from building up over time. A great app to help you stay on track is Toady. It's a cleaning and decluttering app that sends you reminders and helps you stay organized. Number 9. Involve your family. Decluttering is much easier when everyone in your household is on board. Involve your family in the process by assigning tasks and making it a team effort. For example, have your kids go through their toys and clothes, or ask your partner to help with the garage or attic. Make it fun by turning it into a game or challenge. For example, see who can fill a donation box the fastest, or who can declutter their space the most. A great family-friendly show to watch is Get Organized with the Home Edit on Netflix. It's full of colorful, creative ideas for organizing your home. Number 10. Celebrate your progress. Finally, don't forget to celebrate your progress. Decluttering can be hard work, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Take a moment to appreciate how far you've come and how much lighter and freer your space feels. Treat yourself to something special, like a cozy candle or a relaxing bath, to celebrate your hard work. And remember, decluttering is a journey, not a destination. Keep up the good habits, and your space will stay clutter-free for years to come. A great way to stay motivated is to join a decluttering challenge or community. There are plenty of online groups and forums where you can share your progress and get support. And there you have it, 10 decluttering tips to transform your space and your life. Remember, a clutter-free space is a clutter-free mind. When you create a peaceful, organized environment, you'll feel more focused, productive, and at ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Mary Pheabe Sun for more tips on unlocking wealth, peace of mind, and personal power. And share this video with a friend who could use some decluttering inspiration. Until next time, this is Mary Pheabe Sun, reminding you that you are capable, you are powerful, and you are destined for greatness. See you in the next video. Subscribe to Mary Pheabe Sun for more on the psychology of success for women.